Welcome back. Like, let me get y'all some light in here. I know I haven't posted in like a week because the weather been terrible. Wawa stops. You know you gotta stay with the Wawa. Wawa should sponsor me. I eat at Wawa all the time. Wawa, look out for me. But I head out and see what I could do. Maybe go to a meet tonight. Some people still holding the meets in the winter. It don't matter to me. So let's go to my first destination.
Gold art, urban black, spit black, this the Mozart.
Y'all probably remember my second location. I remember this garage. He didn't know I was gonna be in vlog mode by the time I came back. He's very frustrated right now because he's trying to fix his computer. Hit my man up for the computer work too, because you know he do all this computer stuff. But he don't never want to vlog though. Like, look at this shit.
I don't got time.
It's beyond me. He got time. This is what he wastes his time on. We all work. We all work. This is what he wastes his time on.
I understand.
Listen.
I'm starting to get mad.
Listen, he holding up the works because we supposed to be doing something right now. I'm gonna let him chill though, because I gotta eat first. But
What time are you leaving out?
it's 7:40 right now, so
Alright.
I'm gonna eat
What you bought?
hoagie.
You so basic, yo.
Yo, leave me alone. Hopefully by the next time, next clip, I'll be getting in my car to go somewhere. Check him out. We finally leaving. If y'all didn't know, this is actually 3 hours later. Let's head up to the meetup spot. Let's go. E36. I think. Is it an E36? This man always needs gas. I can smell his gas from here. I can smell everything he needs. He getting all the good footage, yo, because I gotta shift. I gotta shift for everything. Like, look at him, his no shifting ass. He get all the good footage. I can't get nothing.
I'm shaking.
Why you cold?
I don't know, I'm freezing.
Oh my god. What's up with people with them bright ass lights? Like, what is up with this? I understand why it's illegal now. Like, oh yeah, this gotta be the right spot. This has gotta be the right spot. This gotta be, oh, look at my son right there. That, remember that Audi from a couple videos ago? Yeah. That's my son Terrell. How you doing, son? He said, I'm in JRG, so my car's not fast enough.
Yeah. So you already know how this goes.
Oh, they pulling out right now? Come on, yo.
I couldn't keep up with it. I just attempted.
Okay. I started in third. That's not my road gear. Alright, turn it on. I'm out in the car. Oh. Hold on, let me ask him a question. What done to it?
take test pipes. Maybe a tune.
Maybe a tune?
Maybe a tune.
Maybe.
The base map as a race.
So how much? Who y'all think got it? This 10 speed or me? Who y'all got? Yo, my seatbelt fell right to the side. Oh, alright, there we go, there we go.
The M mode, that's the fast mode, but if I want to chill and like burn somebody on some low key shit, I'll just leave the sport and it'll shit nice and smooth. I'll show you.
Bro, this shit seems so fucking normal.
You said it seemed normal?
Yeah, it seems like a normal everyday car.
What?
No, like you don't expect this shit to
Bro,
be
he
quick.
transformed this car.
I really didn't expect this car to get this fast. I said, I'll show you the sport mode shift.
Regular sport mode shifts, alright.
Just nice and smooth.
This thing. Alright. Remember, this is the Audi from that couple videos ago. Alright.
The fire power shifts now, so just be careful if you're snapping it.
Oh shit. Man, that shit really puts you back in the seat.
Yo. Huh?
He the GOAT.
Hope not. You crush washer for it. That's all.
It's a mean car right here. He said, pack it up and get going. Oh my God. Oh, I hope I got the auto camera.
Wait to see how this plays out. I got race me. No.
Why?
He said no.
Perfect day, what's up?
Yeah, whatever.
Bro, whatever you want, roll or day. I do a 60 roll. What you want? Answer. No.
What you think? That white Mustang?
Versus you?
Yeah. Think we got it? We got it?
He don't got it.
I think you got it if your fifth gear was working. He gonna get you right now.
You gonna get me because of fifth gear?
Yeah, because of fifth gear.
Alright, we gonna leave it alone.
Fuck at me fifth gear. I'm gonna leave him by fifth gear. You can 20 up. You can
He
do
gonna
it.
say if I win I get the 20. Fuck out of here. Listen.
Come on.
Listen,
So hold on.
listen.
What are you saying? You saying that you could leave him before you hit 80?
Yeah.
And
Before
you
I
realize,
touch 80, you be
and
going.
you realize he got a 5.0 too.
Yeah.
Do you know what's done to this 5.0?
It don't matter.
Number 2. We gonna slash his tires right now. He ain't gonna see it. He's not even gonna make it out this life. He talking about 80.
Bro, we out. we got.
Big turbo that. Don't race him. Nobody race him.
No,
We ran, and it wasn't until because I wasn't in boost, but it was a good run.
Oh, you can race that guy over there, that M3 guy. He wanna race.
Guess I'm not closing this out yet. Damn, I thought I was gonna close the vlog out and then this shit happened. Damn. I don't even think I have a thumbnail. Oh. Oh my God.
Let's do it again.
He said snap, crackle, and pop.
Yeah, Oh, that sounds nice too.
I'm nervous, man.
You're not ready.
Y'all about to race?
Bro, that shit.
Oh. Officially closing the vlog out. Real good night. Lots of cars came out. Even though it's cold, it's like 30 degrees outside right now. As always, if you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subs. Browse the channel for more. Whoa. Browse the channel for more. And have a nice night.